Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by clicking that subscribe button and remember that notification bell so that you can be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing some very simple and easy farmhouse decor. And for the first DIY, I picked up this really cute piece here from the Goodwill, and I paid $3 for this. This is something that's actually really easy to recreate, but for $3 I was like, I'm going to use this along with some white paint, some floral, and a little jute cord. And so I'm going to take that white Waverly chalk paint and I'm going to paint this entire piece. When I seen this piece, I thought this would be cute to store my paper plates. I keep paper goods in the house for the boys to use for their snacks. And so what I'm going to do is use my Dollar Tree sanding block and give this more of a farmhouse look. So I am going to distress around the edges. I also found the image in the design space and I printed it using my Cricut Joy, and I'm going to style that right on the front of this piece. Once I get this complete, I'm going to take that piece of greenery that I just pulled off of a Walmart pick, and I'm going to add that to the handle with some hot glue, and I'm going to take that jute cord and wrap it around the bottom of the greenery. And I just printed that farmhouse blessings. I thought that would be cute. For now, I am going to use it to store my paper plates, but this may be something that I can switch up later and style in a different area, maybe. But I just thought this would be really cute for that purpose for now. So after I get the jute cord wrapped around and tacked down, I'm just transferring that farmhouse blessing image over to the front. And then after I get that complete, this DIY is done, and I actually love how this turned out. This is actually really pretty, and I am so glad I found this piece in the Goodwill. It was worth the $3. And for this next DIY, I wanted to create something functional to style above my sink in the kitchen. So I picked up 3 of these white baskets here from the Dollar Tree. And these are the square ones. They do have the round ones. I have a piece of scrap wood. I believe this is a 1x6. And I picked this up from Home Depot for 79 cents. The items that I have here I picked up at Walmart. I have a 3-pack of these sawtooth hangers, and this pack was $2 and I believe 47 cents. I have some screws from Walmart, and this pack is just 97 cents. And then this is my little box of hooks, and this box I have for a while, but this is $2.97. I'm going to use that Waverly white chalk paint, and I'm going to paint this entire piece front and back. After I get that painted, what I'm going to do is attach these sawtooth hangers. I'm going to attach one on each side just to make sure that this hangs on the wall nice and secure. So I'm just going to add it, and you just take the hammer, and the nails are already inside of them, so you just hammer them right in. And I'm just adding this one. It's really simple on this side, and I'm adding them all the way to the top in the corner, and then I'm going to take that second one and just add it to the other side. And so after I get that one hammered in, I'm going to start adding my baskets. And so what I'm going to do is just see where I want to place my baskets first, and then what I'm going to do is attach these baskets using those screws that I picked up from Walmart. And so I'm going to use my electric screwdriver for this, and I'm just adding my basket where I want to attach it. And then I'm going to take one of the screws, and I'm just placing it in between one of the holes on the end, and then I'll just use my screwdriver And then I'm going to add another screw on the other end of the basket. This is really simple. And then once I get that one in, I'm going to go to the other end of the board and attach that basket before I attach the one in the middle. And I'm just doing the exact same thing, adding one screw on each end through the holes. And then once I get that complete, then I'm going to add that middle basket, doing the exact same thing. And I'm just making sure that my baskets are lined up with each other. And then I am going to take a little bit of that white chalk paint that's left on the brush to paint over these screws. And then what I'm going to do now is add hooks under each basket. And I'm just using my screwdriver to start the hole. And these hooks, these are the large ones from that pack, and they just screw right in. And so I'm going to add the last hook to the third basket. And then after I get that done, my little shelf is complete. And now what I'm going to do is maybe add some greenery, and I am going to style this right above my sink. And I think this is so cute. I absolutely love it. And I just added this little hanging bucket that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just storing some of my little kitchen items in there, and I styled some greenery right on top, and I absolutely love it. And so I'm going to get started on the third and last DIY for today, and I'll be creating a little fun hanger that you can hang pot holders or anything on them. And I have 4 of these arrows with the jute cord attached to them. I'm going to be using a pack of these white hooks, and these are the ones that have the adhesive back. And then I just pulled off 3 more pieces of greenery from that Walmart pick, and I'll be using some white chalk paint. Now what I'm going to do is pull the cord off of 3 of them, but I'm going to leave the cord on 1 of them. And then now what I'm going to do now is just attach them together, and I'm leaving the cord on that one so that can be how I hang this up. And so I'm just going to add 2 of them on the ends, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue that third one in the middle, but I'm going to place it down lower than the other 2. And then after I get that complete, what I'm going to do is take that white chalk paint, and I'm going to paint this piece with that. And once I get that complete, what I'm going to do next is I am going to attach my hooks. I'm just pulling off the back. I'm still going to add hot glue just to make sure that these are really nice and secure. This DIY is really simple, but it's so functional, and it is so cute. So I'm just adding hot glue to each one of the hooks, and I am placing them all the way down at the bottom. And then once I get that complete, I'm going to take those 3 greenery pieces that I pulled off, and I'm just going to hot glue them right to the middle. And then once I get that complete, this DIY is done, and I think this is the cutest little hanger decor. I absolutely love it. I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with it. I may end up styling this in the kitchen for my pot holders, but I also was thinking about styling this in my bathroom. I am not sure, but I love how it turned out. It is so cute. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. I appreciate all of the support. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And here is a look of the other DIYs that I created today. In the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And until next time, my friends, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.